Okay, for this video I want to demonstrate three features in Cisco Switching IOS. We're going to be using GNS 2.1.121, I believe. 2.1.21. For this I need one router and I need two switching instances. I'm going to rename the switches to actually switch 1 and switch 2. Build the connection. Switch 1 is going to connect to router 1 on E0 and FAT800, and they'll connect to switch 2 on E10 and 10 on both sides. Turn on all the devices and then make my console connections. I'm going to go into switch 1 first. I'm going to go into the Ethernet 00 that's connecting to the router 1. Here we're going to enable the bpduguard. bpduguard. Enable. You would want to do this on access ports. That way nobody can do an attack on your network by connecting a switch. The second thing we're going to do, well, I'm not going to do that yet. Actually, we're going to go ahead and make this fail. We're going to go on this side and simulate somebody connecting the switch. We don't need to go in the interface here. We got to create a bridge instance. Proto IEEE. Go into the fast Ethernet and turn it on. That's going to put the port in err-disable. I want to back out of interface config. That way it will take up. Now we want to do err-disable recovery. Calls bpduguard. And then how soon do we want it to try? Interval. 30 seconds is the lowest I think we can do. So shouldn't that have failed already? I would think. No, we gotta make on this, we gotta assign it to the bridge group. That should make it fail. So it fails right away, and then the err-disable part is going to make it try to come up in 30 seconds. So the second thing we want to do is go over to this other switch. We want to make it advertise a superior bpdu, which is not an interface command. Spanning tree, VLM1, priority. 0, which is going to be the best. So this is the third feature we want to discuss, called rootguard. This is so nobody could do it, try to become the root bridge in your network. Span entry guard root. And we have blocked it right away. To see this, we gotta do show span. Show span. For VLAN 1. So we see Ethernet 1.0 as broken because of root inconsistent. That's because Switch 2 tried to become the root bridge for VLAN 1 and this bridge is the root, and we enable root guard in that port. So we'll say you're not becoming the root. So we just shut it down. It's to protect your network from somebody becoming the root bridge on your network. That is all for this video.